myself Sakthi Easwari, Latha Latchana and Sivasankari of KLNCE College of Engineering, Department of EEE. Our project is Autonomous Rover for Cleaning Photovoltaic Panel. Our sincere thanks to Innovation Promotion Cell of KLNCE College of Engineering, which sanctioned our project 7,000 rupees. The objective of cleaning photovoltaic panel is to maintain the efficiency in which dust particles, hard substances which is accumulated on the panel. When photovoltaic panel is dirty, the ability of converting sunlight energy into electrical energy will lack, so that efficiency will also be reduced. By using our autonomous rover, the efficiency will be increased.
Now we can see hardware requirements of our project. Our project model consists of Arduino Uno, which is the major component of our project. The sensor unit consists of ultrasonic sensor, which senses the surface of the panel, and the Arduino gives the output motor driver of the rover. We using a hardware components like Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, motor driver module and buck converter. The prototype is represented in a rover type. We having components like Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is used to integrate into a variety of electronic projects. The motor driver module is used to control the motors of the rover and the direction of the rover. The ultrasonic sensor is used to measure the distance of an object using ultrasonic sound waves. The buck converter is used to step down the voltage of the given input in order to achieve the required output. A block diagram explains in the rover we have a 3 ultrasonic sensor which is used to sense the particles which is accumulated on the solar panel in the right, left and middle direction. The ultrasonic sensor is connected to a Arduino Uno, which is a microcontroller used to control the rover. The Arduino used in the rover is Atmega 328. The Arduino is connected to the motor driver. The main use of the motor driver is to change and control the direction of the motor. The motor driver used in the rover is L298N. The motor driver is connected to the 4 motors which kept in the rover. Ultrasonic sensors are widely used in many applications to detect the presence of an object or obstacles. A motor driver is used to control the movement of the motor, such as a robotic or a car. Overall integration of 3 ultrasonic sensor with an Arduino Uno and a motor driver provides a comprehensive sensing system for detecting objects and obstacles. Here we broadly explain a circuit diagram for connecting a 3 ultrasonic sensor, an Arduino microcontroller and an motor driver. The ultrasonic sensor are connected to the digital pins of an Arduino, while the motor driver is connected to the analog pins of the Arduino. Each ultrasonic sensor has 4 pins: VCC, ground, trigger and echo. The VCC pin is connected to the 5 pin of the Arduino, while the ground pin is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. The trigger pin of each sensor is connected to the separate digital pin of the Arduino, while the echo pin of each sensor is also connected to the separate digital pin of the Arduino. The motor driver has 4 input pins: IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4. These pins are connected to 4 analog pins of the Arduino. IN1 and IN2 are connected to the one pair of the analog pins, while IN3, IN4 are connected to the other pair of the analog pins. The motor driver also has 2 output pins, out1 and out2, which are connected to the motor. Based on the distance measurement, the Arduino will send a command to the motor driver to control the movement of the motor. For example, if an object is detected in the front of the motor, the Arduino will send a command to the motor driver to stop the motor or change its direction to avoid the obstacles. Overall, the circuit diagram for connecting 3 ultrasonic sensors, an Arduino Uno microcontroller and a motor driver is relatively simple, and once the connections are made, the system can be programmed to provide accurate and reliable sensing and control of the motor. Now we can see a working of our rover.
that worth of exploring other cleaning systems such as robotic cleaning and self-cleaning. It could important test to the prototype to ensure that safety, effective and cost efficient. By designing with the maintenance needs in the mind, our rover is cost effective and sustainable solution for cleaning the photovoltaic panel. Future work is automatic charging the photovoltaic rover with used to wireless charging system integrated with the panel. This could allow the rover to recharge itself in the panel without needing any external source. Applications of our rover used in the industries are oil industry, rubber industry and food processing industry. Thanks for watching our project video. If you have any queries, comment below. Thank you.